Meaning of despot.
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 Despot. The term despot refers to a ruler who wields absolute power over their subjects, often in a cruel or oppressive manner. It commonly implies that the ruler uses this power for their own benefit without regard for the welfare of their people. Despotic regimes are characterized by arbitrary and authoritarian rule, suppression of dissent, and violations of basic human rights. The inevitable result of despotism is a lack of freedoms and a degradation of society, as the ruler becomes increasingly isolated from the needs and desires of the people they govern.